Good morning, children. Today's date is 22nd of January. The year is 2021. And today's day is Friday. So in phonics, we have been revising the sounds of H brothers. Yes? The name of brother number 1 is Sh. Yes, who does not like sound. Name of brother number 2 is Ch. Yes, and he loves making sound. And today we are going to revise the sound of brother number 3. Yes, and the sound is Th. Then T and H come together, they make a new sound, and the sound is Th. And also it makes the sound D. Okay, so when they come together, T and H, they make two new sounds. They make the sound Th and D. So here I have few objects with me. Yes, that begin and end with the sound Th. Let's take this one. Now what is this? This is a thread. Yes, I have orange color thread and gray color thread. Now in the word thread, listen carefully to the word thread. Th-r-e-d, thread. In the word thread, the sound th is coming at the beginning of the word. Yes, it comes at the beginning. And the ending sound here is d. So in the word thread, the beginning sound is th and the ending sound is d. Now this is a thermos. Yes, it keeps your water, your milk warm. Yes, so in the word thermos, the sound th is again coming at the beginning of the word. Th-a-r-mos. Thermos. Yes, here the beginning sound is th and the ending sound is s. Now coming to the next one. This is a piece of cloth. Now in the word cloth, where do you think the sound th is coming? Listen to the word carefully. Cloth. No, it is not coming at the beginning. The beginning sound here is k. Yes, k, l, o, th. Here the ending sound is th. In the word cloth, the sound th comes at the end of the word. Let's come to the next one. Now, I have made a picture because I could not get a small model of a bathtub. Yes, so this is a bathtub. So we'll just take the word bath. Yes, b-a-th, bath. Now in the word bath, the sound th is coming at the end of the word. Yes, and the sound b is coming at the beginning of the word. So in the words cloth and bath, the sound th was coming at the end of the word. Yes. Now there are these words where the sound of th is not th but d. In words like this. Yes, so the word here is the, I, s, this. It's not th, I, s, this. It's not this. It is this. So as I told you, the sound, the words T and H, when they come together, they make two sounds. It is th and also the. Yes, it is the, I, s, this. Then I have another word. The, at, that. Again, the TH here is making the sound the, and it's coming in the beginning of the word. Then I have one more word. Again, here TH will make the sound the, e, they. Yes, so in the words this, that, and they, we can see that the sound the is coming at the beginning of the word. Okay, so today we have revised the sound t or the. Yes, we have seen that the sound th can be used at the beginning of the words, as in thread, thermos, and it can also be used at the end of the words, as in cloth, bath. Yes, and in words like this, that, and they, the sound is not th but the. Okay, children, happy learning.